Hey everyone, welcome back to my tutorial. In this series of tutorials, we are creating a tic-tac-toe game, using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This is the third, and the final part in the series, wherein we will add an AI to the game. If you haven't watched the previous parts, you can find the links to them in the description. So, without any further ado, let's get started. For the AI, we will use the TicTacToeAI library, by Kinoto. You can download it from the link in the description. Open the library in your editor, since we are going to modify it to adapt it to our program. In the tic-tac-toe board's make-move method, return the index for location, and the cell, in an array. It returns the index of the cell, where the move is made, and the symbol of the opponent. Now, create an update board method that will take the game board as argument. Set the board property of the class to new tic-tac-toe board's board property. Now, scroll down to TicTacToeAI player class, and create update board method. It will take an array of board as argument. Set the game board property of TicTacToeAI player class to new tic-tac-toe board. Include the library using the script tag in the head tag of the HTML document. Now, open our JavaScript file. Let's declare some variables. Declare comp board, AI symbol, and AI player variables. Declare an initialize AI function that will take a Boolean flag as an argument. If the flag is true, we will initialize the previous variables. Initialize the comp board with new tic-tac-toe.tic-tac-toe board. Pass the flattened board array to it. Set AI symbol variable to opposite player's symbol, using comp board's opposite player method. Pass player symbol to it. Initialize AI player variable with new TicTacToe.TicTacToeAI player. Call the initialize method on AI player. And initialize it with AI symbol and comp board. Else, we will call the update board methods that we added in the library on comp board and AI player. Make sure to call it on comp board first, then on the AI player. Now, call the init AI function with true flag in the global scope. Also call this function in xdiv and odiv's event listeners. This will initialize new AI player with opposite symbol every time when user changes his sides. Now in the cells event listener, add an else part to the if condition. Call the makeMove function, and pass the target element and player symbol to it. Call the init AI function with the flag as false. This will update the computer's board, and it can make a move based on it. Call the makeMove method on AI player. If move is not null, we will destructurally assign variables to values returned by comp board's makeMove method. Pass the AI symbol, and move to it. We will now use setTimeout with 400 milliseconds delay to call the makeMove function. Pass the cell at given index and symbol of computer to it. We are using 400 milliseconds delay to let the user's symbol animation finish before starting the computer's symbol animation. Here, our final project is ready. Let's see the preview. As you can see, it is looking great, and working as expected. So that's all for today. You can find the source code of the entire project on my Patreon. Please be sure to drop a like on this video, and subscribe to my channel for more such tutorials. I'll meet you next time. Till then, good luck, and peace.